I am Dylan Jarvis, and this is my new YouTube channel that I'm dedicating towards all things Etsy, and not just Etsy, but making a lot of money on Etsy. I have been on Etsy for 6 years, and we hit our first million in the first 5 years. So we now average around $300,000 to $400,000 a year for the last 3 years, and it's been amazing. A little bit about my background. I am from Minnesota. I went to the College of William and Mary, studied marketing, did a product development course in London at the London College of Fashion, which was really fun. I've done blogging. I worked for Zappos as a buyer, and then for Zulily.com up in Seattle. It's like the flash sales site, and I was a buyer there. And then I met someone in the military, and we moved to San Diego. We got married, and that's when Etsy started. So when we moved to San Diego, I could not find a job in buying or e-commerce. I worked for so long to get a job with Petco headquarters, and after about 11 months, I finally got a job offer from them. And it was a great job offer, but by that point I had started the Etsy shop just with one item, and I was making a couple thousand a month. And we also found out we were pregnant, and I realized I think that there's more upside with Etsy than there is in the corporate job. I knew that salary was $110,000, and I thought, I want to do better than that. I can do better than that. So I went all in, and within a year we were at 136,000, which is pretty amazing for your first year on Etsy. A lot of people don't know how to start on Etsy. They have been thinking about it. They're looking on Etsy for, inspiration. They're looking on Pinterest. They are going to Michael's, going to Hobby Lobby, seeing what is there that they could possibly make something with. And 6 months go by, 2 years go by, they still don't have something. And that happens with so many people. You have no idea how many customers I have who I realize they have an Etsy shop, but it's empty. It's always been empty because they have the shop and they just haven't come up with the ideas yet. But it's really super simple, and I'm going to give you my number one tip for starting on Etsy really fast without leaving your house and without spending any money. So what you're going to do is get your phone. You are going to go around your house. You are going to pick up everything that you've ever made. You're going to collect it. You're going to put it in a laundry basket. Anything that you've ever made. Jewelry, wall decor, clothing, something on your bed, any little knick-knack, a decorative pen with a feather on it, anything that you've ever made. You don't even have to have made it from scratch. Even if it's something that you bought and then you adjusted it a little bit. So you bought a backpack and then you put this really cute bow on it for your daughter, and then you sewed a patch onto it. Anything that you've altered or made in any way with your hands. You are also going to pick up all of the supplies in your house, all of the craft supplies. You might think oh, what am I going to sell crayons on Etsy? No. Any supplies that you have, you might not even realize they're supplies. From a little metal ring to, a fake flower to a piece of felt to beads, anything. You're going to collect all of that. You are going to start taking photos. Now, you're going to use portrait mode. You're going to get some really good angles, which I'd be happy to teach you guys about. And you're also going to take video. You're just going to take 10 pictures and a video of each item. It's that simple. You don't have to think of ideas. You don't have to spend money. And you don't have to leave your house. That's amazing, right? This is just to get you started. I guarantee this is not going to be what takes your shop to hundreds of thousands of dollars, but it's going to get you traction. It's going to lead you to different products. The first product I ever had was something that I did not know how to make. I know. It was actually a floral letter from our wedding. Now, this floral letter was about 3 feet tall, It was made out of pieces of foam and toothpicks. It was literally held together by toothpicks. Now, if you know about shipping situations, that was not going to work. So I took a photo of it. I put it on Etsy. After 2 months, someone bought it. And I thought, oh my gosh, like now I have to make this. I have to like engineer something that looks like this that I can actually ship. After a brief panic, we figured out how to make it in a shippable form, and that became our first killer product. We've sold probably $700,000 to $800,000 of just that item in the last 6 years, which is amazing. That's between Etsy and our Shopify store. So it literally is that simple. You go around your house, you find what you have, supplies or things that you've made or altered, and you take pictures. That's how you start. If you haven't started your shop because you cannot think of an idea, let this be your sign that you don't need to think of an idea. You just have to start. Start with something. It does not matter what it is, but it's going to get you momentum. If that momentum is only logging on, learning to create the listing, it will get the wheels turning, and that is so worth it. It beats being stuck in the same spot for another like 6 to 12 months. So that is my number one advice for getting started on Etsy with no ideas, not leaving your house, and no financial investment. That's all. Please stay around for more tips and tricks. This is not going to be a channel where we tell you things, like have good SEO, take good pictures, and make sure your branding is really good. Like, we're not going to do that. We are only going to give you tactics that will save you time and that will make you money. No fluff. No fluff. Concise tactics. That is what we are focused on. At some point, I am super interested in doing one-on-one coaching because I am so confident that my method of creating a shop is going to be, one, a very good recession-proof method, and two, if you've been wanting to do this, this will save you so much time and getting you to be successful way faster. But I know now, in that kind of ballpark of $300,000 to $400,000 a year, if I had known that when I started, I don't even know how quickly we would have hit our first 100,000. So, what has this done for our family? Why would you even want to do this? Etsy has literally bought us 3 homes in Southern California, in San Diego. It has paid for trips to Hawaii. It has made it so that I can be at home with my kids. We can afford full-time nannies. We can afford cleaning people. It's really changed our lives. If you are interested in more info like this, please follow us on Instagram at Dylan Jarvis, and then stick around for more videos here.